Hey, how's it going there, YouTube? This is your host, VLT, coming back with another video. And today, wouldn't you like to add MagSafe to your older iPhone? Anything below like the iPhone 10, like the 8, 8 Plus, 7, 6. And I have one product for you. I know the iPhone 8 series can do wireless charging, but it has no magnets in the back to do actual MagSafe. So I have an older iPhone. I would like to give it MagSafe, but with the accessories in which I have, I've got a whole variety of them, but they don't really seem to work. So I have a couple products for you. It's a metal ring for MagSafe. It basically has a metal ring adhesive to it, and I want to see if it actually works or not, or if this is just fluff. Anchor and other companies have had products like this in the past, so I picked this off Amazon for about $8. And I'm just curious if this actually works or not. You get about 10 in the box, and you just remove that adhesiveness to it. You remove it, and this is basically your end result right here. So, fun fact with my video, with my experiment, is the actual magnetic rings don't actually do anything. Just because they're adhesive, they're not really strong, they don't really stick on. So if you see any actual magnetic rings off Amazon, I don't recommend buying them, just for the simple fact that they constantly fall off. If you were to put super glue on them, that might work. But if you can maybe score a MagSafe case that's compatible with the iPhone 8 series, which I know there's a couple of them floating around, they need that metal ring in order to stick to it with magnets, but because the 8 series doesn't have it, you're kind of SOL. So if you have an actual MagSafe case for the 8 series, which does exist, but in the meantime, you just use a regular case, that might be your best bet. But as it stands right now, there's really no MagSafe alternatives for the iPhone 8 Plus series. If there's MagSafe case, I can't find it off Amazon, so I don't recommend buying any sort of these products. So I'm your host, VLT, signing out.